Um, Welcome the ruling of the Supreme Court. Compliance is a given, and our attorney generals have applied for the enrollment order, which we'll study carefully. But by and large, governors are happy with the devolution of power in respect to local government autonomy. It relieves the burden on governors. People really don't know how much states expense in building out local governments, and that's the issue there. Thank you. It's not going to affect the states. We've never tampered with local government funds, so it's going to continue. What the local governments have to do is to manage themselves, especially with the upcoming minimum wage, to manage their affairs and make sure salaries are paid. Traditional rulers get the 5%, and those are the main issues. Like I said, we haven't seen the enrollment of the court order, so we really don't know what is in there. We've seen a president on various issues, from minimum wage, which he met with Labour yesterday, the Supreme Court ruling, and other national issues that concern states as well. It's omnibus. The forum will meet next Wednesday to look at the issue wholly and then come up with a resolution about it. As you're aware, the tripartite committee has met and submitted its report.
Yes.
A movement of figure is a prerogative of the president, which he will also transmit to the National Assembly for robust debate before it's adopted. We've done our part at the tripartite committee level.